Welcome to 109 Oneida Way in Maumelle, Arkansas, located in the beautiful Osage Terrace subdivision known for its spectacular views. As you enter the home, you'll find the great room and the formal dining area. The formal dining area features a beautiful bay window and looks on to the great room where there's a tray ceiling, a gas fireplace, and surround sound. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream with a Viking gas cooktop, double ovens, a huge island, and a lovely eat-in area with the built-ins, also with a picture window of that beautiful view and access to the deck. Just off the kitchen, you'll find a half bath, a built-in desk area, and a very large laundry room with enough storage to double as a butler's pantry. You can also enjoy that beautiful view from the spacious master bedroom and large ensuite bath with a jacuzzi tub and a large walk-in closet. On the opposite side of the home, you'll find 3 large bedrooms with generous closet space and another full bath. Outside, you'll find an oversized garage perfect for all your toys and tools and a professionally landscaped lot with irrigation. But maybe the best for last is this beautiful deck for entertaining and taking in this amazing view. Below the deck, you'll find a sunroom with a hot tub. Call today to schedule your tour of this impeccably maintained home at 109 Oneida Way.